Hello everyone, welcome to MastersTeach, and today we are going to discuss Telangana TET Social Studies content. Okay, so this is the second chapter in this Social Studies. So we'll see about our habitat and its system, the Earth. The topic name is the Earth. Okay, so what we are going to cover here in this series, we are going to cover like about the globe and grid system, origin and interior of Earth, then four realms of Earth, then landforms and Earth movements. Okay, here we are going to see about the globe grid system, like what is latitude, what is longitude, what is prime meridian, time zone, etc. Then origin and interior of the Earth. We are going to discuss about the Big Bang, like interior of the earth, like crust, mantle, core, like egg analogy we'll discuss. Then four realms of earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, that we are going to discuss. Then landforms and earth movement. So relief features, seasons, then solstice, then equinox. Okay, these are very important for the TET as well as DSC purpose. Okay, so globe is a it has a three dimensions. Okay, uh, like globe is a three-dimensional and scaled down model of the earth. It accurately represents the shape, size, and relative positions of the continents and oceans. Okay, so this particular Earth content, as you know, that there is seven continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Then five oceans. So sometimes may they ask about this, about the continents and oceans. So Pacific, which is the largest ocean, Atlantic, then Indian Ocean, then Southern, then Arctic. This is the smallest one. So the key feature is that 70%, 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by the water. Only 29% of the land is there on the earth. Okay, 71% earth surface is covered by the water, and only 29% is land. Okay, so there is grid system. There are imaginary lines, latitudes and longitudes. So the grid system is imaginary network of horizontal and vertical drawn on a globe or a map, which fix the exact location uh, of any place on earth. So latitudes, these are the parallels. Okay, then equators, 0 degree. Then it is divide earth into north and uh, south hemispheres, like this. Okay, uh, tropic cancer 23.5 degrees north, whereas tropic uh, of Capricorn 23.5 degrees at south. Then Arctic Circle, it is 66.5 degrees north, whereas Antarctic Circle, it is 66.6 uh, degrees at south. Then total, uh, it is 181 parallels, that is 90 degrees on earth to 90 degrees on south. So this is the latitudes where it is parallels, whereas longitudes, so it is a prime meridian. So 0 degree passes through Greenwich, UK. The total meridians is 360. Is used to calculate standard time. Early, like every latitude 15 degree equal to 1 hour difference. So India is 82.5 degree east, that is IST, equal to GMT plus uh, 5 uh, 5:30 hours. Okay, this is the thing. So what is prime meridian? This is frequently asked in MCQs. Okay, prime meridian is 0 degree passes through Greenwich, UK, that you should understand. And then origin of the Earth. So approximately the universe is originated uh, 13.7 billion years ago. There is a massive explosion known as Big Bang. So gases and dust condense over billions of years to form stars and planets, including Earth. So it's a start journey, then there is a checkpoint, then destination. Okay, so this thing, Earth began as a molten mass. As it's cooled, the outer face hardened into crust. Gradually, water vapor condensed to form oceans. Oxygen appear, then enabling life to everyone evolve on the sea. Okay, so the interior structure of the Earth, there are the three layers are there. Okay, so the Earth interior is divided into three main layers. So think like a hard boiled egg. So shell compared with the crust, then white compared with the mantle, yolk compared with the core. This is a crust. It is the outer layer. So it is volume of 1%, depth up to 100 kilometers. It is the outermost solid layer. So ocean crust, basalts and continental crust, granite is there. This is the crust. Then mantle. It is like a it is compared with the egg like mantle volume 16 percentage. So depth is there up to 2900 kilometers. It contains silicates, semi molten rocks and called magma. Then inner one, the core, it consists of 83 percentage. So the value is 83 percentage, made up of iron and nickel. Okay, nickel. So outer core liquid, inner core is a solid. So it generates Earth's magnet field. So just remember, so Earth interior consists of three layers: crust 1%, mantle consists of 16%, where the core consists of 83 percentage. Okay, and this is the interior of the Earth, is a visual representation. So like the crust, it is the outermost of the Earth. It is a 1% volume. It is up to there 100 kilometers. Okay, granite and basalt is there. Then mantle, it is a 16% volume up to the 2900 kilometers. It is silicates and magma. Then outer crust, so which consists of iron and nickel. Then inner core, okay, which consists of solid iron and nickel, innermost 83% combined with the core uh, volume. So this is egg analogy. You can see this. The shell compared with the crust, then egg white compared with the mantle, and yolk considered with the core. Okay, this analogy frequently used in Telangana textbooks and DSC examination. So the four realms of the Earth. Okay, Earth is made up of four interconnected systems. So which is called as realms or spheres. So life exists where all the four overlap. This zone is biosphere. Okay, one is lithosphere. That consists of lithosphere, which is consist of crust, rocks, soil, and landforms, foundation for the terrestrial life. Whereas hydrosphere, so all the water bodies, oceans, river, lakes, glaciers, and groundwater. Whereas atmosphere, it is a blanket of gases, okay, surrounding to the earth. So troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So is there. Then biosphere. Oh, so this is a zone of life where real life is there, which consists of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, which always interact with the thing for the living organism. So there is a four realms of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, then biosphere. Then how the four realms are interconnected. So lithosphere consists of rocks and soils provide the habitats and minerals, whereas for in order to have the biosphere, you have atmosphere which consists of gases which help the to respiration and the climate. Then hydrosphere which provides the water and photosynthesis for the life process. So atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere, which are helps for the biosphere. So in DSC, they may ask biosphere is defined as a zone where three realms like lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere interact to support life. Okay, uh, just we'll see here. Then one more. We'll go to next one. Uh, Here, major landforms of the Earth. So Earth consists of order. There is a like first. It consists of continents. Okay, where the land masses and ocean basins, water filled with that depression, whereas second forms of land consist of mountains, which mountain consists of folded, block, volcanic, then plateau, which is a evaluated flat land, then plains, low-lying flat land, then ocean relief, so continental shelf, so continental slope, deep sea plains, and trenches, deepest marina trench. So this is the thing. See, counter line is an imaginary line on a map joining all the points of equal altitude above the sea levels. Okay, this is the thing. Then we'll go to next slide. Uh, we'll discuss about the Telangana, the Deccan Plateau. Telangana is primarily situated in Deccan Plateau. It is one of the oldest and most stable landmass in the world. It is a classic example for the second order landforms. Okay, what is the key features of Telangana's? Okay, it is a part of peninsular plateau of India. Then general slope is from west to east. Then rivers, like in Telangana we have Krishna, Godavari. It flows from west to east, so flowing the slope is there. Then average elevation, it is a 500 to 600 meters above the sea level. Then black cotton soil, Raygood, dominates the plateau surface. So why this is important? So frequently they are asked about the Telangana Deccan Plateau. So Telangana lies on the Deccan Plateau. The slope is from west to east. This is a direct exam question they may ask. Okay, Deccan Plateau is a lava plateau. So formed ancient volcanic activity. Due to volcanic activity, this lava platform, okay, making it is geographically significant. Okay, then rotation of the earth. So earth movement, how it is there. So earth spinning like own axis from west to east, it rotates from west to east. So one complete full turn is approximately 24 hours. It is called as one solar day. So the direction of the rotation of the earth, it is west to east. So it is anti-clockwise when viewed from the north pole. Then duration, so 24 hours equal to one solar day, that is 23 hours 55 minutes equal to one sidereal day. Then effects, so through this uh, rotation of the earth, the day and night become there. Okay, so it creates uh, Coriolis effect causes tides. It's the day and night happens through rotation, as well as it happens through 24 hours. Okay. Then revolution of the earth. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun, like fixed elliptical orbit. So completing one full revolution, uh, it takes 365 days, 1 by 4 days. So one solar year. So in order to uh, go around the year, around the sun, it will take 365 days by 1 by 4th day. So the extra 1 by 4th is day accumulate is give up as a leap year. For leap year comes every 4 years. So the key facts about the revolution of the Earth. Duration is 365 days. There is a 6 hours approximately. 365 days, 6 hours. Orbit shape. That is the uh, elliptical. There is a, not a perfect circle. Then uh, perihelion, that is the earth closest to sun on, it is happens on 3rd January. Then aphelion, so earth far farthest, like it is the longest from the sun, that is the 4th July. Then average distance between sun and uh, the earth is 150 million kilometers. So here, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this one. So effects of the revolution. So it, due to uh, revolution of the movement of the earth, the seasons, the changes of the season happens. So variation of the length of the days and night may happen. Then solstices and equinox happen. So different temperature zones on the earth. So see the revolution plus 23.5 degrees tilt to together causes seasons, not just revelation alone. So you have to remember the same. So here the earth 23.5 degrees tilt the causes seasons. On 21st June, there is a summer solstice. So it's a northern hemisphere titled towards the sun. Okay, here you can check here. Then June 21st, summer solstice. Uh, solstice. That is the northern hemisphere titled towards the sun, longest day uh, in the north. Then in September 23rd, the autumnal equinox, so equal to day and night, which is happened globally. So which happens in September 23rd. And December 22nd, so winter solstice. So northern hemisphere title away from sun. So it is the shortest day in north. Okay, whereas northern hemisphere shortest day in earth. There's a March 21st, uh, vernal equinox, equal day and night globally. So this is the thing. So here the key dates you have to remember. There are 4 days high frequency. In MCQs they may ask, so you have to memorize these dates and what effects happens. On 21st March, there is a vernal. There is a spring inox. So what happens? It happens in equator 0 degree. Then FX is that equal day and night everywhere on 21st March. That is event name is called as vernal spring equinox. Then which happens sun overhead at equator 0 degree, equal day and night everywhere. Whereas 21st June, it is a summer solstice. It happens in Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees on northern hemisphere. So it's longest day and shortest night on June 21st. So this is called as summer solstice. Okay, and 23rd September, it is a uh, autumnal equinox. So equator 0 degree, equal day and night everywhere. So which happens on 23rd September. And 22nd December, winter solstice. So it is the sun is at Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees at southern. It is the shortest day and longest night. Okay, so this is the thing for India Northern Hemisphere. So on 21st June, it is the longest day in India, and 22nd December it's the shortest day. So these may come in the examination. Okay, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this one. Okay, just I am reading out um, all the things. So continental drift and Panagaea to present. So German scientist Alfred Wegener proposed the continental drift theory. Okay, he suggests that all the continents were once joined in a single supercontinent called Pangaea, surrounded by a single ocean called uh, Pantalassa, so which happened like 250 million years ago. So Pangaea is a single supercontinent, southern part. Okay, uh, Gondwana, India, Africa, South America, Australia, and Antarctica, which has happened 50 million years ago. Whereas 135 million years ago, there is a Pangaea splits into Laurasia, there is a north continent, and Gondwana, southern continents. Okay, then present day. So there is a seven. Nowadays we have the seven continents. So current position is there. Still the plates that moves 2 to 5 centimeters every day. So this matching cholesterol Africa and South America are key evidence in continental drift. Okay, this is the continental drift, how the continental got appear. In the beginning, it was only single continent that is called as Pangaea. Okay, it's a single super continent. It was, and in southern part there is a Gondwana land which consists of India, Africa, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. It was there. Then this is the thing. Then what we have learned, so in MCQs most of the time they ask about the globe. So there is a three-dimensional, okay, it is a scaled down spherical model of the earth showing the continents, oceans, and grid system. Then contour lines, it is an imaginary line. Okay, contour line is an imaginary line on a map joining all the points of equal altitude, height above the sea level. Then biosphere. Biosphere means the zone of life on Earth where the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere interact to support all the organisms. Then rotation. So the spinning of the Earth on its own axis from west to east. So completing full rotation in 24 hours, causing day and night. So through rotation in a 24 hours, the day night happens. Then revolution. That means the movement of the Earth around the sun in elliptical orbit. So completing one revolution in 365 and 1 by 4th days, causing seasons. So you have to remember the same. So important number you have to remember. These are the figures direct from MCQs which may come in TET DSC. So the Big Bang happened how many years back? Uh, 13.7 billion years back. So it's the age of universe according to the Big Bang theory. Then the 23.5 degrees axis, like Earth axial tilt, responsible seasons and solitile and equinox. Then like 23 kilometers mantle depth is it. The mantle extend from 2900 kilometers depth. Then core volume, it is like 83% of the Earth total volume in core volume, whereas 82.5 east degree India's standard meridian. So one IST equal to GMT plus 5 hours, 30 minutes, whereas 365 for uh, uh, 1 by 4th is a day's revolution. Earth takes 365 for 1 by 4th days to orbit on the sun once. So this is the thing. So what you have to remember, uh, globe, contour line, biosphere, rotation, revolution, and solitary equinox. So remember the numbers, okay? Then Telangana context you have to write. Then you have to know, you should know the about the diagram of like Earth's thing. In I think it's like a interior like egg model. So seasonal, position, grid system, DLM you have should know. So this is a small presentation from my side. So thank you for watching. We'll meet with the next lecture with the next presentation. I hope you enjoy this. Watch this again and again. You are going to have a good number in your TET or DSC. Thank you. All the best from Masters Teach.